Hey guys, I'm Chef Vicky V, the queen of yum. Welcome to At Home with HEB. I love y'all so much, I'm partnering with my friends to take your Valentine's Day to the next level. This yummy Lovebird dessert board is a fantastic way to make your Valentine's Day sweet. This is going to be so much better than your regular sweet treat because we're custom crafting our love boards. Let's do it together right now. HEB has an array of different things you can build your board with. Some of my favorites are this vanilla candy coating for dipping strawberries. It also comes in milk chocolate and dark chocolate. We have some Dove candy. We also have some custom cupcakes straight from the HEB bakery, and also these really cute heart cookies. One of the great things about HEB is that they have everything to build your boards. Look at this beautiful heart tray or our kitchen and table marble board. Today I'm gonna use this beautiful wood Cocina-ware cutting board. So to get started, we're gonna have some Valentine's Day fun and we're gonna dip some strawberries using our HEB chocolate candy coating. To get started, pop your chocolate coating into a ramekin and into the microwave for 1 minute. Once your chocolate is ready, go ahead and dip your strawberries. We're gonna let these beautiful strawberries set while we build the rest of our board. There is no right or wrong way to build these boards. You take your love's favorite treats and you make your own special design. This board is so beautiful. It's perfect for Valentine's Day and your love. I chose some wonderful treats like strawberries, like cookies, brownies, and so much more. You can do anything you want. Valentine's Day is a sweet one. This dessert board will catch their eyes and their hearts. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more sweet videos like this from HEB.